Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today, what we are going to look at is 4 phrases to give you to use in conversations. Making the best of a bad situation. If there is a bad situation, we can accept it and be sorry, or we can react with positivity and make the best of it. Winning isn't everything. Winning isn't everything. Winning isn't everything because there are many other competitions, there will be other games, and if your friend lost a competition, you can say, winning isn't everything. Next phrase. Things could be worse. Things could be worse. This phrase is a reminder that a situation is better than it might have been, but it is still bad. For example, after the storm, a tree fell on our house. Nothing was damaged, but things could be worse. The next phrase to comment on a bad situation is, every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means that every difficult situation has some advantages. For example, your friend tried a lot to win the match, but he lost. Even though he lost the match, he gained in experience, and now he is more confident. Every cloud has a silver lining. And one more phrase is, that's life. That's life. Usually, people say that's life when they're disappointed in something, but they know such things are part of life and must be accepted. Let's look at the example. I've made lots of mistakes, but that's life. It means I just admit it. So, if there is a bad situation, try to react with positivity and make the best of it. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Bye!